Yo, what's up, guys? You already know who it is. Lazaro Martinez, Sneaker Brains, Lil Cuban. Call me what you want. But what's up, online buddies? But I got some new Vans. I picked them up earlier. They're Checker Vans. I'm gonna do a lace-up tutorial just now. But starting off the vlog, picking up my brother and my sister from school. I got a bunch of new content I want to put out. So let me know if you want me to do more videos like this, more vlogs, whatever. Cause I'll be so bored, man. But yo, look, I think the gym's working for me. Look at that tricep. Yeah, I think it's working for me. But yo, I'll probably do a new video like at the gym. I want to record there, so you guys can see me at full action. I'm massive when I work out. You know, your boy's starting college in 4 days on Monday. So good luck to me. And let's get started into this tutorial. Alright guys, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is take off your laces. Alright, after that's done, you want to make your way up, leaving them loose. You don't want to tighten them. And make sure they're even. So see, you want to leave it like that. You want to leave it loose. Then, instead of going underneath like factory, go over. So you get that floppy look on it. That looks way better. And you just make your way up. And make them as even as possible. Now, if you have kid size, don't go to that hole. I think it looks whack. So just tighten it right there. And you want to put them right next to each other, and just fix this one because they're both not going to be perfect. So you want to get them as clean as possible. And that should be the end result.